Within your snap settings tab right there, we have this align wall ends box to be checked, snap to wall, and snap to angle. So within this snap settings, it is very self-explanatory in that sense, where you can actually have your ends of your walls snap together like this. So that is just moving one wall. When you design a next wall, you can have those ends snap together. As you can see, it is not connected. If I finish up drawing this wall, it automatically connects those ends. If we go back to these settings, we can go adjust it by the slider bar, how far it should be away from the next wall to automatically snap. Now, just to give you a quick example for the 700, so if I move this wall, when it gets into a range of 700 millimeters, it would automatically snap to the closest wall. Let's go take this lower down. My personal preference is, let's say, around 125, 150, around there. It's a happy medium. Sometimes I do go lower for more advanced wall types. So just to give you a quick example on this, the closer I get, and there we go, is the automatic snap. Same for this one at this end, right there. Now, we can have these ends as well snap together when you start drawing it out on the external outline. Next up, we can snap to the angle. So I generally have this changed to be 45 degrees. You can manually change it to a different angle. And again, this automatically snaps to that angle when you start designing your walls. So if we go out there, it automatically snaps to the 45 degrees. Let's go remove that one. We can go to, let's quickly slide this down to a different angle. You can see it goes into that specified angle right now. And next up we can go customize. So I generally don't prefer customizing my angle unless really necessary, because when you do the customization on your angles, let's say we're going to be using a 60-degree angle. We click OK, and we want to insert that angle. You can see it only takes it into consideration for that angle. If you want to add the rest of the angles for 0, 90, 45, you need to go manually insert those angles to make them available to design in. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck just with this one angle. And even when editing, it is automatically going to change your angle of those walls. Let's go turn this back to standard, make it 45. Well, you can remove that customized angle right there. Thank you very much. This is the Snap Settings tab. Click Next to go to the next tutorial.